This episode of Bluey is called Typewriter.
In minute.
Bluey is initially seen typing on a typewriter at Glasshouse Primary School. She is soon joined by Chloe, who informs her that Calypso is telling a story. They rush to join Snickers, Pretzel, and Coco, where Calypso narrates a tale about an old dog and a chest full of treats. During the story, Winton asks to sit next to Coco, who subtly moves away from him. After the story, Bluey and Chloe discuss it as they head back to the typewriter, only to find it missing. Bluey decides to ask Calypso for help finding it. On her way, she encounters Snickers, who confides in her that he hates being a sausage dog because it makes it hard for him to sit down. Bluey reassures him and invites him to join her in seeking Calypso's help. They then find Winton, who is upset because people avoid him. Bluey and Snickers notice Winton's tendency to invade personal space, which causes discomfort. They invite Winton to join their quest to see Calypso. As they journey together, the trio is ambushed by the terriers. Snickers uses his long body to hide behind trees, Winton uses his space-invading tendency to scare off a terrier, and Bluey imagines a shield to block the terrier's arrows. Working together, they successfully escape the ambush. When they finally reach Calypso, Bluey realizes she doesn't need a real typewriter to write stories. In the episode, Winton struggles to understand why others avoid him, highlighting the importance of empathy and understanding different perspectives. Bluey and Snickers help Winton realize he invades personal space without knowing it. Their journey to seek help from Calypso emphasizes putting oneself in others' shoes. This episode teaches young viewers the value of empathy, showing how understanding and supporting friends can strengthen relationships and create a more inclusive community. Thank you all so much for joining us today. If you would like to dive into every episode and relive your favorite moments with embedded videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.